Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in what matters, 1 or 2 campaign goals so bidding and creative align. Once done, install the Google tag and map conversion events from Forms or your CRM. This feeds data-driven bidding. Make sure to segment audiences into buyers, nurtures, and cold prospects so your messaging lands correctly. You're setting the data foundation and intent signals. Without them, automated bidding and smart creatives won't optimize effectively. Next, tighten your account structure. Create tightly themed ad groups so quality score and relevance improve. You should supply 5 to 8 responsive assets, headlines, descriptions, and images, so Google's machine can test combinations and learn quickly. Then set audience bid adjustments and ad schedules focused on high-intent hours. This increases efficiency and reduces wasted spend. Once asset performance emerges, pause weak variants. Finally, refine with controlled experiments. Shift 10 to 20% traffic to tests before full rollout so you know what truly improves metrics. When a variant wins, scale budgets gradually, 10 to 30% per week, while monitoring CPA and ROAS. If performance stalls or drops, check tracking accuracy, budget constraints, and audience overlap that cannibalizes bids. One key troubleshooting tip: verify conversion tags and duplicate audiences first. Most wasted spend stems from bad data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.